What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my new Copart car. So here it is. This is my new 2011 BMW 328xi. I got it from Copart for a great deal. But before I tell you guys the price, I'm going to show you some mods that I've noticed have been done to this thing. So I guess first we'll start with the front. It's got a upgraded grille, which I mean, it's pretty nice, I guess. And then it's got this little carbon fiber sticker things on the headlight, and it does have a little crack on the headlight there, but it's not too bad. Once I buff them out, and I'll see how they look. Next thing is, these are 19-inch rims. They were pretty nice and expensive. And you also might notice that it's lowered quite a bit. When we're loading onto the trailer, we get to jack it up to put the tire straps on, and the jack barely fit under there. I know this one's like falling off, but that's all right. Next, you can probably see how dark the tint is. I think it's 5% on the sides. And the front windshield, it looks tinted because I can't even see in there compared to like our other BMW back there where I can see right through the windshield. Got some of these carbon fiber mirror caps, which are pretty nice looking. Now you can see how lowered it is again. And got a nice spoiler, which I actually don't mind. I don't like them when they're huge, but when they're little like this, I like them. We also got these blacked out taillights. I don't know if they're just tinted or if they're actual taillights, but I like those. And from the looks of things, it's got an upgraded exhaust. When I get it on the hoist, I'll know for sure, but I'm 99% sure it is. And I guess we can come in the interior here. I'll just guess I'll open the back door first. The interior in this thing, I don't think anybody's, even though it's dirty, I don't think anybody's sat back here before. It is in mint condition. Like the backs of these seats and everything is in really good condition, even though it's pretty dirty. And if you come to the driver's side, you should notice right away that it's got a upgraded steering wheel. Same with the pedals. All it's dirty in here, you can see and how great condition these seats are. Same with the passenger side. It is a manual transmission, which actually I'm kind of glad it is. But look how good in condition this is. I don't know if it shows on camera, but it looks like this thing's brand new and never been used. Got a upgraded start button. And it's also got the nice black trim that I like. It doesn't have that old wood look. So I'm happy with that. And then, yeah, again, here's the upgraded steering wheel. And yeah, that's pretty much it. There's not too much else. It's also got a sunroof up here. So yeah, since this thing is so dirty, and you can't really tell on camera, we're gonna wash it off and see how it looks. All right, let's get washing this thing. Man, oh man, does it look good now that it's washed? I'm I'm really glad how good the paint looks under here. It just still got some water spots on it, but that's pretty good other than these water spots. So I'm really happy with that, especially with all these wheels and everything all together. Makes this car look real nice, all washed up. So yeah, just do a little walk around here. Driveway's getting pretty full. Got another couple Copart cars there between the Smart Car and the Golf, which is a new car that we also bought off Copart, which I'll be showing you guys in one of my next videos. So, but yeah, I think this paint turned out real good. So, all right, guys, I'm still not gonna tell you guys what I paid for this car yet. I'm gonna make you guys wait till the next video. So be sure you subscribe, so that way you'll get the notification when I do post a video, so you can see how much I really paid for this thing. But yeah, I'm real happy with my purchase. I'm surprised that nobody else bid on this car at the auction, and I got pretty lucky on this one. So like I said, stay tuned for the next video where I'll tell you guys what I paid for it and why I paid the price.